Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great Monday or whatever day that you're watching this video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Desiree and my channel name is I Desire Wealth. I know this is not a What's in My Wallet Wednesday, but I did want to go ahead and do a check-in. Since Wednesday, it is possible I may be a little busy since my family reunion is on Friday. And I think that's the 30th. Well, whatever it is Labor Day weekend. So this is our 35th year of having a family reunion on my dad's side, and I can't wait to see everyone. So here's my budget. Let's talk about what I spent. I know here's part of the numbers, so let's see what I've spent so far. For the ones that's been helping me with my watch hours, helping me with my running my playlist, thank you so much, y'all. I went to the dentist this morning. That amount was $488, but when I got in the chair, I ended up needing something else, and if I have time, I will talk about that in this video also. So we're looking at what's been spent since I got paid on I think I got paid on the 21st. So on the 21st, I went to Walmart. I got groceries. I spent $73.97. I did pay with my Discover card, and I've already paid that amount back to my Discover card. On the 22nd, I still went to Walmart again, needed some household things. I spent $64.68 on my Discover card, and I haven't sent it to Discover, but I do have it in my Chime savings account. Once everything gets settled, that's when I'll go ahead and pay it off, or I may wait till after the closing date for next month and then just pay it off after that. So here's me right now what I had left. And then also on the 23rd, I spent $3 from spending and groceries. And that's because with the one card, and I think I got a link below. I'm not sure. If not, I will put it below. For my mom, I got her to get this card too. And it was like spend 15, get 15. So I sent her some money to her card, that way I can spend from it, and then I can give her the money. On the 23rd, I also picked up my medicine. It was actually $35 and some change, but rounding up is $36. Also on the 23rd, oh, this is me just pretty much reminding myself I got $20 in cash back to have $19 for the dentist, and that extra dollar went to getting a money order. So this is just a highlight, just letting me know I need to give my mom her, well, it say 14, but $15. And on the 25th, a couple days later, boy, was I tired. Went to Hella Hot Chicken, used Discover. I've already sent that money back. And the same day, this is pretty much Hella Hot Chicken and a discount store as well. So $42 or $41.92. And this is just reminding myself of separating everything from the actual budget that I'm writing down. On the 25th, I took Travis somewhere. I dropped him off, and after that, I was hungry, so I stopped at Arby's. Yes, I'm one of those people that's keeping Arby's in business. Y'all, I was hungry, and Arby's was good. Spent $10.67. So that means I ended up eating out twice that day, but it's okay. As long as we're not starving and, all of that good stuff. On Alley, I owed Discover $20.63. Well, I actually owed them $20 and some change. And I went ahead and paid them today since that amount did post. And today is the 26th, so let's talk about my dental visit. I know that I know y'all don't want to hear this at all, but y'all, let me tell you what happened. Let me get this paper out the way. And yes, I'm sitting here half sleepy. I'm sitting on the couch, but I feel pretty good, y'all. I had a great dental visit. When I say I had a great dental visit, I had a great dental visit, even though, y'all, just listen. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So some stuff I did have to hide, and I'm not seeing anything else that's on this paper that I needed to hide. So this has been my dental experience for today. Here's my receipt of the charges and what's been paid. So I go to the dentist. I need a crown. I wouldn't say my teeth. Well, I wouldn't say my teeth aren't the best. Let's just put it at that. They're not the best at all. They never been the best my entire life. Like, I've been through my share of dental visits over the course of who knows how long. So I go to the dentist today. I ended up needing a crown. I pay my part, and this is after the person that helped me or rung me up. She said you got a credit on your account for $380 some dollars or 400 and some dollars. I was like, I do. She was like, yeah, you don't have to pay anything today for the visit except for $85.05. So I was like, okay, let me give you your money because I got it, right? I done saved for it, and I can't believe that. So I didn't have 5 cents, and come to think about it, I actually had 5 cents because I forgot I had the little coin holder from Chris, and it was in my backpack. So she said, I got you. I got 5 cents. I'm like, oh my goodness, thank you. So I'm thinking, okay, there's money left, and the money that's left, I can just put this towards my next visit or what have you. So I go to the back, the doctor come in, they take their x-rays and all of those pictures and stuff. And the doctor said, you may need a root canal. And she showed me why I may have needed a root canal. And she was like, you know, asking me did I have any questions about anything. I'm like, well, how much do it cost? Right? Because I only went to the dentist with that cash that I had, $488, and the difference of $85.05. So they rung everything up, put everything in the system. The cost for the root canal would have been $350.25. I was like, okay, since I have it, let's go ahead and do it. So we did it. And it took hours. I mean, I got to the dentist, it was 9:10. When I got to the back, it was 9:22, almost 9:30. When I left from the dentist, it was almost 1 o'clock, y'all. When the dentist gave me my numb in gel, I think she gave me at least 2 shots in my gum. I could have counted 3, but I'm not really sure. And y'all, I have never had a great root canal experience in my life until today. It's like, they was asking, did I need a pillow? Did I need some cover? And I'm like, no, I'm fine. And they was, doctor asking me, was I okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm okay. And I went to sleep while she was, doing her job or whatever. And in the end, I don't know what time it is now. It may be 6. Let me see if I can see. Uh, Actually, it's almost 5 o'clock. So when I left, of course, you can feel the Novocaine start wearing off or whatever. But when I got to the house, I took 2 ibuprofens, and I haven't went to sleep just yet. And y'all, I feel good. Like I've never had a dental experience like this in my entire life. So what I wanted to say was sinking funds work. They work. And I'm still in the process of working out how I want to do sinking funds for the rest of the year. Of course, I'll always have retina visits, I'll always have my ophthalmology visits. I will probably always, yes, always have a dental visit. So next month I was thinking, I got a retina visit coming up, which I did change to October, and I have my ophthalmologist appointment next month as well. But I don't think I would owe my ophthalmologist much at all. So I've been working on my sinking funds. And as you can see, this is the amount that everything costs today. But I only ended up paying $435.30. I think I have, if I'm not mistaken, it's like $50 or $55. So I'm going to put that back in my envelope to save for my dental visit. I felt good today, y'all. Normally I wouldn't tell you all stuff like this because it's kind of boring, but I wanted to tell somebody, anybody that would listen. Like, I've never had a root canal experience go so well in my entire days of going to the dentist. Now, back in the day, I did go to Aspen. I'll never go to them a day ever in my entire life again because they definitely rip you off. They will rip you off. Of course, my experience with them was I had a bad experience, but I never had to lose thousands of dollars with them. So if you go, be careful. And I'm not bashing them at all, just giving my experience. Mind you, my experience with Aspen has been from, I want to say 13 years ago. So, like, there's a whole Facebook page about them that I joined because, you know, I don't really have a story to tell with them, but I definitely know that they are highway robbery. So, definitely avoid them if you can. Until I went to this dentist office, I was. But y'all, look at what I thought about savings as far as my sinking funds. Tell me what you think. And I think I just showed some information, so I may have to go back and edit that. So, first, I'm not done with this. This isn't finalized at all. So, remember, we. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. Me and Jasmine heard a very loud sound outside, and we had to go check it out. So, what I was saying was at the end of January, me and my friends, actually, my birthday is in January. I have another friend, her birthday is in February, and another friend, her birthday is in March, and then May. So, we have a girls' trip planned, and I'm not really sure how much I need. I know as far as room, all of that, it's going to be not much because it's divided by three of us, so 200 and some dollars each. So I need a sinking fund for that. I want to do another sinking fund for my family reunion for next year. Of course, I need to add money to this. Oops, gotta edit that out. So me and my friends are going on a trip, and we're going to Gulf Shores at the end of January. Supposedly the weather will be pretty good, so we'll, just see about it. I don't want to, have to take 3,000, nothing extreme like that, but maybe 2,000 for everything. I'm not going to be a driver, but I will be driving my car back home and parking it at my mom's house for family time, well, family ties. I do want to set some money aside for next year's family reunion, and of course, have money set aside for Jasmine as well for home long term savings. So that's kind of like a down payment. And I did $5 to $10 per paycheck because saving for a down payment for a house can be pretty lengthy when it comes to, you know, trying to save money. And if I figure that if I don't already have a lot of money, how can I save a lot of money? Next, we have the quarterback, which is the emergency fund. I thought $70, but I may have to do $40 per pay. I don't know. Medical, I'm always needing money for medical. So the lowest is $5. The highest can be 20, 30, or $40 if I have it. Auto, I'm always needing some type of oil change and want to make sure that I have that. So just like medical, the lowest I put 10, but I mean, if I could give every one of these funds $10, that would be great. And for myself, I don't need much. I don't do much at all, so a minimum of $5 would work for me. Now, mind you, I am going to change this so I can kind of go back and see how much paychecks or how many paychecks and then break it up that way. I'm not trying to save a whole lot from September to December, but if I'm able to save, you know, 200 for fun, 200 or 100 for family, 200 for home, and you know, $200 or $300 for all of these would be fine. Let me know what you think below. I hope you all have a great day and have a great rest of your week. Don't forget, if you do decide to help me with my playlist, leave a comment below, and also don't forget to comment on the video. Have a great day. Happy Monday or whatever day that you're watching this video. Bye.